Switching phones can be exciting but daunting, especially for preserving photos. If you want to transfer photos from Android to iPhone 16, you're in the right place. This guide outlines 7 effective methods to ensure your memories make the journey. Way 1. How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone 16 via phone transfer. Easy. After getting your iPhone 16, you might want to transfer photos from Android without losing quality. Use Phone Transfer, a tool for quickly migrating photos to iOS while ensuring privacy. Step 1. Run and connect. Download and launch the software on your computer. Use USB cables to connect your Android phone and iPhone 16. Follow the on-screen prompts to ensure the software recognizes both devices. Step 2. View and select the interface will display your Android device. If it does not appear, utilize the drop-down menu to select the appropriate source device. From the available options, click on Photos and select the specific images you intend to copy. Step 3. Transfer and wait. Once you have made your selections, click the Export to Device button to commence the transfer. The taskbar will display the progress of the transfer, offering real-time updates on the status of the operation. Way 2. How to transfer pictures from Android to iPhone 16 with Move to iOS. On your iPhone, select Move Data from Android. On your Android, download Move to iOS from the Play Store. Open it, press Continue, and enter the code. Select Camera Roll to transfer videos and photos. Way 3. How to send photos from Android to iPhone 16 using Google Drive. Install Google Drive on your Android. Open the gallery, select Images, tap Share, and choose Drive. On your iPhone 16, download Google Drive and log in. Access your photos and select Save Image. Way 4. How to send pictures from Android to iPhone 16 via iTunes. Connect your Android to your computer, set USB file transfer, and open File Explorer. Navigate to DSIM Camera on your Android, select the photos, and drag them to a folder on your PC. Disconnect your Android. Turn off iCloud Photos on your iPhone. Connect it to your computer and open iTunes. Click your device icon, select Photos, check Sync Photos, and choose the folder with the copied photos. Tap Apply to sync them to your iPhone. Way 5. How to share photos from Android to iPhone 16 using iCloud. On your Android, open a browser and go to iCloud. Log in, select Upload or tap Albums and Add. Allow access and choose Images. On your iPhone, go to Settings, your name iCloud Photos, and enable iCloud Photos. Way 6. How to share pictures from Android to iPhone 16 over email. Open the email app on your Android and compose a new email. Enter your email or the recipient's. Tap the paperclip icon to attach photos, then send. On your iPhone, log into the same email and download the attachments. Way 7. How to move pictures from Android to iPhone 16 with Xender. Install Xender on both devices. On your Android, open Xender, tap Plus, and select Connect iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the Android's Wi-Fi. On the iPhone, select Connect Friend, choose Photos on the Android, and tap Send.